Finally got it. SpongeBob's Krabby Patty, bro. Respect it. It tastes better too. SpongeBob themed Krabby Patty. Only problem is, I think it's like, it was like $8 for one of these. Little dip. I love how the yellow food coloring doesn't like, it doesn't take away from the flavor. It's enjoyable. The packaging, it's pretty cool. I'd get this again, and I have nothing bad to say about it. If you guys do like food content, make sure you leave a like, follow for more. Hey, comment down what's next.